So here on the second floor is your combined living room, beautiful kitchen and dining area with a large balcony outside. So this is an absolutely gorgeous space. I'm going to take you through some of the different areas. So first of all, we have this kitchen. If you love to cook and entertain, then this is going to be a dream for you. So first off, it is a gas cooktop with 6 burners, stainless steel appliances, of course, but we've also got sort of a sleek, industrial, modern look, but it's also a little bit soft. It's not like that harsh look. It's got enough of the warmth, especially in the wood floors and the wood cabinets, to keep it from getting cold. So it's just kind of that mixture of modern and cozy and warm that we all love. Also, you've got this huge balcony, again, perfect for entertaining. Beautiful pendant lights here, and of course, the sink right here. Perfect, absolutely perfect for entertaining. So here on the other side of the island is the living space. So we've got the balcony view once again, which I'll show you in a minute. It's my favorite part, so I'm saving it for the end. But then behind me, we've got this gorgeous fixture that is dimmable to create a very romantic dining space. You can see under this fixture and behind me is a wine fridge and kind of general storage here. Absolutely gorgeous space to make into, again, a great entertaining space or a romantic little nook for a couple. And my personal favorite part of this room is the balcony. So you can see that it's quite large, and this is the only one. We've got another one upstairs. Let's go. Last but certainly not least is the master bedroom on the 3rd floor. So the features of this room are, first of all, that it is quite large. It's got hardwood floors, just like the rest of the home, a beautiful custom-built closet, and another balcony. You know, that's my favorite. Okay, so it's really hard to show closets on video, but this one is absolutely to die for. So you can see how large it is. I'm standing here. I've got plenty of room to walk around, basically do a cartwheel almost. And it's got this custom-built shelving and drawer system. It's absolutely gorgeous. Just like the rest of the home, it has that modern, sleek, kind of soft industrial look. Absolutely classic, and just room for everything you could possibly want to store. I absolutely love the shoe rack here. This is great. This would be absolutely perfect. If you've got a million pairs of heels, then this is your closet. So here in the master bathroom, we have got a show stealer of a shower. So this is a huge walk-in shower. I'll hop in a minute so you can see how huge this thing is. It's got a large bench and then 2 shower heads. One on the wall is super adjustable, and then it's got a rainfall shower above. They're each controlled independently, so you can set the water temperatures differently. It is beautiful. Another nice feature is that we've actually got a skylight just over the shower, so there's a lot of natural light in this room. So you've got the bright lights coming from the mirror and some natural light. I know, ladies, if you're doing your makeup, having a little bit of that natural light is really helpful. So this is a great, great space. Double sink, matching cabinets that are in the kitchen. Again, not just modern, sort of wooden, classic but industrial look that is, you know, not too harsh, but very clean and beautiful and timeless. So this is an absolutely gorgeous bathroom. I can't decide if I like the balcony or this shower better. I'm torn. But let's hop in so you can see just how huge this thing is. Like, again, gigantic. Okay, so right in off the front door is our first bedroom. You can see behind me that it has a great asset for this neighborhood, which is access to a backyard. It's small, but if you have a pet or if you like to grow plants, then just off of this room, you can reach the backyard. So this would be a great office or guest room. It is on the first floor right as you come in, along with a full bathroom if your guests need to be on the first floor. So another great feature about this townhome in particular is that each of the 3 bedrooms actually has its own full bathroom. So we are on the 3rd floor. This is one of the bedrooms. It does have a full bathroom and a large closet, but we're still not even in the master bedroom yet. This is a great space. It's got a lot of natural light coming in, and let's take a look at the bathroom.